To Investor of the Year, which is sponsored by PA Nova, and I'd like to invite up Piotr Korek to come and give this award away. And
here are the nominees: CBRE Global Investors, Deutsche Asset and Wealth Management, EPP, Griffin Real Estate, Rayco, Union Investment Real Estate, WP Carey.
Guys, it's a quite boring evening. The Investor of the Year is CBRE Global Investments. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Now you can say a few words first, and then we'll take some photos.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you very much to jury, and thank you very much to all our clients, people who work with us, and to all the tenants we work with. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Congratulations again. And